Hello, and welcome to Roosted. In this quick tutorial, we're walking through the Client Activity Log, a simple but powerful feature that helps you track every important update tied to your clients. Let's dive in. First, navigate to your client dashboard. You'll see the Client Activity Log as a new menu item at the very end of the list. Just click on it to open. Once you're inside, you'll see a chronological log of activity for that client. This includes when the client was first set up in the system, any updates made to client details, like contact info, billing, or service agreements, changes to job assignments or shift allocations, and more. Everything is timestamped and organized so you can quickly see what's happened and when. Just like with other logs in Roosted, you can add comments directly inside the client activity log. This is useful for internal notes. Maybe you want to flag why a change was made, or leave context for your team. Just click Add Comment, type your note, and save. The Client Activity Log gives you full visibility into your client relationships. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, preparing for a client review, or ensuring compliance with service agreements, having a clear record of every action saves time and reduces confusion. And that's it. Thanks for watching.